The Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik-B represents a cutting-edge leap in Russian unmanned aerial combat vehicle (UCAV) technology. Spearheaded by Sukhoi and Russian aircraft corporation MiG, this sixth-generation aircraft project draws inspiration from the Mikoyan Scat and incorporates key features from the fifth-generation Sukhoi Su-57 fighter jet. In essence, it mirrors the strategic approach seen in the U.S. next-generation air dominance (NGAD) fighter. Yuri Slushar, the Director General of the United Aircraft Corporation (USC), a vital component of Russia's state-owned defense conglomerate, asserts that the Su-57 is a crucial step towards the realization of sixth-generation capabilities. The journey began in 2016 when Russia unveiled plans for a new sixth-generation fighter based on Sukhoi Design Bureau's proposed design. The ambitious project involves the development of both manned and unmanned versions, with hardware elements tested on prototype versions of the Su-57, referred to as the PAKFA, Prospective Airborne Complex of Frontline Aviation. Hardware elements designed for the sixth-generation fighter include state-of-the-art flight and navigation systems, advanced electronic warfare, and radar systems. Karadi, a subsidiary of the Russian state corporation in charge of radio-electronic technologies, plays a pivotal role in developing these crucial components. Notably, the sixth-generation fighter will feature an integrated electronic warfare system, functioning as both a radar and an electronic warfare system, along with cutting-edge electronics, data transmission systems, and communication equipment. The Sukhoi S-70, bearing the moniker Okhotnik or Okhotnik-B, translating to hunter, is a drone with a weight of 20 tons. Crafted by the KB Sukhoi Design Bureau, its wing design employs composite materials and stealth coatings, rendering it challenging for conventional radar systems to detect. Equipped with optronic, radio, and reconnaissance systems, the S-70 features a flat jet nozzle. Its dimensions include a length of 14 meters and a wingspan of 19 meters, enabling speeds of up to 1,000 kilometers per hour. Scheduled for integration into the Russian Air Force by 2024, the S-70 variant, with its unmanned combat aerial vehicle (UCAV) qualification, is a testament to the evolution from the Mikoyan Scat. Notably, technology from the Sukhoi Su-57 stealth fighter is seamlessly integrated into the Sukhoi S-70. Officially initiated in 2011 by the Russian Ministry of Defense, the S70 project saw its first mock-up assembled for ground testing in 2014. The prototype, unveiled in July 2017, boasts a futuristic flying wing configuration reminiscent of the U.S. Air Force's B-2 Spirit bomber. The Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik first took flight on August 3, 2019, undergoing a series of tests, including a successful bomb release test. The successful maiden flight on August 3, 2019, marked a pivotal moment in the Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik-B's development, setting the stage for a series of comprehensive tests. These tests encompassed various aspects of its capabilities, including a notable bomb release test that demonstrated its potential as a formidable unmanned combat aerial vehicle (UCAV). The drone's agility, speed, and integrated systems showcased its readiness for deployment in the evolving landscape of aerial warfare. The Okhotnik-B's design, characterized by a flying wing configuration reminiscent of the U.S. Air Force's B-2 Spirit bomber, is not merely an aesthetic choice. This design choice enhances its stealth capabilities, making it less susceptible to detection by conventional radar systems. The use of composite materials and advanced stealth coatings further contributes to its ability to operate discreetly in diverse operational environments. The incorporation of technology from the Sukhoi Su-57 stealth fighter into the Sukhoi S-70 represents a synergistic approach, capitalizing on the advancements made in fifth-generation aircraft. The seamless integration of state-of-the-art flight and navigation systems, advanced electronic warfare capabilities, and cutting-edge radar systems positions the S-70 as a formidable asset in future aerial combat scenarios. One of the defining features of the sixth-generation fighter project is the emphasis on both manned and unmanned versions. This dual approach reflects a strategic vision that acknowledges the evolving nature of modern warfare, where unmanned systems play an increasingly prominent role. The development and testing of hardware elements on prototype versions of the Su-57 underline Russia's commitment to staying at the forefront of technological innovation in the aerospace sector. Looking ahead, the planned integration of the S-70 variant into the Russian Air Force by 2024 underscores the project's timeline and the anticipated role of this advanced UCAV in bolstering the country's aerial capabilities. As geopolitical dynamics continue to shape the global security landscape, the Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik-B emerges as a symbol of Russia's commitment to staying at the forefront of aerospace technology, reinforcing its position as a key player in the realm of advanced military aviation.